At 50 Flowers, we provide 3 DIY options for you to achieve your floral vision. The first option is DIY Done For You. These DIY Done For You packages are perfectly curated with the latest trends in mind and contain everything you possibly need to achieve the best floral experience for your event. The best part is that these packages require 0 assembly. All you need to do is open the box, pull out your flowers, and enjoy them on your big day. The second DIY option that 50 Flowers provides is DIY in a kit. This is an extremely popular DIY option for those who want to still be a bit hands-on, but may not want to build everything from scratch. The DIY in a kit options do require a bit of assembly of your flowers, but we give you the flowers you need in those kits to design the bouquets and arrangements you'll ever dream of. And finally, our third option of DIY level is DIY from scratch. This is for those who want to build everything themselves. You'll purchase your flowers in bulk, assemble your arrangements from scratch. This is where your creativity can completely shine. So, if you have the vision and the know-how to DIY everything from beginning to end, you can do it. Be sure to read more about our 3 DIY options: DIY Done For You, DIY in a kit, and DIY from scratch to select the right DIY option for you.